Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulil mustafa wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man ihtada amma ba'd. Okay, in today's occasion, inshallah I will bring a topic about simple past tense because I am chosen to be the teacher of the day for today's material in this afternoon. Okay, so yeah, our material today will be about English. That is about the tense, simple past tense. Okay, next. First is, what are tenses, or what is tenses? A tense is a form of the verb that allows you to express time. The tense of the verb tells us when an event or something has passed or existed, or when a person did something. It could be past, present, and future. And this past, present, and future are the three main types of tenses. Next. Then, what is simple past tense? Simple past tense in English is used to talk about actions or events that happened in the past and are now finished. To form it, we often add ed at the end to irregular verbs like played or walked. This is also called as regular verbs, or use irregular forms like went or ate for irregular verbs. We use this tense when we want to describe something that took place at a specific time in the past. For example, she visited her grandparents last weekend. She visited. Or he finished his homework yesterday. It's a way to talk about past actions that are not happening now, or it is happening and in the past. Next, these are the structure of a simple past tense. To form a simple past tense, it's verbal plus be a subject plus the third verb or verb 3, like she worked yesterday. That's for the plus, for the positive sentence of simple past tense. And the negative sentence of simple past tense is not really hard. It's also subject, but we add did not between the subject and the verb. And this is also use verb 1, not verb 3. For example, she did not or she didn't work yesterday. That is for the negative sentence. And now for the integrative sentence of simple past tense, it is D plus subject plus verb 1. Or for example, is did she work yesterday? Some additional insights. Simple past tense is also used to talk about completed actions or events in the past, even if we don't specify when they occurred or when they was happening. For example, she visited Paris. We don't need to put like when did she visited Paris, like last year she visited Paris last year. We don't need to add last year. Next, here are some more example of the sentences. Like the first, she played soccer yesterday. The correct answer is actually she played soccer yesterday. The next, they go to the park last weekend. The correct answer is they went to the park last weekend. Why went? Because go is an irregular verb, and the second and the third verb of go is went. The second verb of go is went. And then the last is I ate pizza for dinner. The correct answer is actually I ate pizza for dinner, because it is also irregular verb. Okay, a little bit quiz. I will ask one of you to answer the quiz. You can just choose which word into which sentence. Okay, maybe I choose Hafuza. I've prepared the words here. Just put the words inside the first sentence. Which do you think is the correct answer? She blah 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 in the lake. She swam. Okay, correct for Habuza. Habuza, you may choose one person. Okay, Albi. Albi, for this one, what is the answer? They sang. Sang. Okay, correct. They sang a beautiful song. Okay, maybe one more. Atif. Please answer this one. We so, we built a sandcastle. We built a sandcastle. Yes or no? So you choose build. You just build. That is this, the answer is already here. You choose build. Okay, build. Okay, correct. Thank you for Hawaza, Albi, and Atif for answering the quiz. This is also a quiz. It's actually super simple. Like you just need to choose which and which. Like she go or goes to the store yesterday. It's like some little quiz. Let's skip this because we already have we already did a quiz. Maybe a last quiz. Let us spot the mistake. I will ask one more student to read the story and find the mistakes in the use of simple past tense. That's all. Okay, maybe for Vino, you can read the story and find mistake about simple past. Yes. About simple past.
Simple past. She met a friend.
This one is this correct or no?
A friend with no.
No.
Yes.
The correct answer what?
It's fair.
Huh?
Fairy, right?
Yeah, this is very.
Very
Yes, is this correct or no?
No.
What is it?
Into the fair. The year is.
No, very is already a subject. Yeah. This one. Is it correct or no?
Yeah, the leave.
Change to what?
Change into leave it.
Leave it.
Leave it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes, correct. So all of this is just is incorrect on the verb, usement of the verb. Yeah, maybe that's all. Yeah, maybe that's all about my material about simple past tense today. Before we close, are there any questions? Okay, seems like there's no questions. So I will directly close today's simple past learning about simple past tense. By reciting Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. And yeah, I hope this can be helpful for you guys. I do apologize if I made any mistakes during delivering this material. Selesai saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.